Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE X97 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and now we just successfully created the new home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications, or also if you want to add a couple of apps in one click, just open the folder, tap to this plus or add icon and select the applications which you wanna add to your folder, then just tap to OK and that's it. To rename the folder, just click once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. Click to OK. Now we can see that we just successfully renamed it. If you want to move this folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. To remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag the application to the home screen. If you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to remove a couple of apps in one click, just just tap on this plus icon and unselect the applications. By this way, also we could unselect all of the applications and we can see that our folder is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.